Hi everyone, Paul Akers. We're just 31 days away from the Global Lean Leadership Summit. It's hard to believe. This thing has been all over the place. Germany last year at Michael's and Yellow Tools, and now on to Riverside, California, where Angel and Rick have worked incredibly hard and spent a lot of time, money, and resources to put together, I think, which will be the best global lean leadership we've ever had. But I wanted to just give one important charge to everyone as we get ready to gather in Riverside. I think in respect for Angel and Rick, I think we should consider the way we go there and the way we're dressed. A lot of you are used to seeing me in a sports shirt or a t-shirt because I'm a pretty casual guy. But I think when we show up to this Global Lean Leadership Summit, I'm not quite sure that a t-shirt is appropriate. I think we should go there with a little more seriousness and be dressed a little bit more upscale. I'm not talking suit and tie, I'm not talking fancy slacks. I'm just saying, I don't think a t-shirt and tennis shoes is the right attire for the amount of effort that Rick and Angel have put into this. So hey, we're a casual group of people. We want to be real, but don't show up in a t-shirt. Thanks a lot.